Good morning, I'm Viti, and this is La Cocina de la Abuela. Today we're making 3 no-bake lemon desserts, nice and cool, and really delicious. Stay until the end and tell me in the comments which one you liked the most. And I'll tell you which one I liked. First, the easiest lemon cake, with just a few ingredients and no baking. It looks amazing, like the one you see in the picture. Fresh, creamy, with a super lemon flavor in my case. It's wonderful. Just look at it. Wow! First, 3 sheets of gelatin that we're going to soak in water. This gelatin takes a few minutes to hydrate. 500 milliliters of heavy cream. We're going to separate 200 milliliters from the remaining 300. Let's heat the 200 milliliters of cream that we set aside and add 50 grams of sugar to it. For our small saucepan, turn on the heat, low heat, and let it dissolve. In about 20 seconds, it should be ready. See? It's hydrated, it's soft, we drain it, and without any water, put it into our cream and sugar mixture, well dissolved. And in less than 5 seconds, it will melt. To prepare this dessert, you need 3 yogurts. Here's a great tip. If at least one of them is lemon flavored, it will give it much more flavor. Time for our yogurts. Everything goes right in. We stir, mix everything together, and continue on low heat for a minute. Meanwhile, let's move on to the next ingredient. It's for the base. We need a good handful of cookies. 10 will do. We break them up and chop them. By hand or with a machine. It's up to you. I have it done in seconds. We pour it into a bowl. And here we're going to prepare what will be the base of our cake. Butter. 80 grams is enough. We melt it in the microwave in 10-second bursts until it's completely liquid. Add it together with the crushed cookies. Stir. And now we use a cake pan. In this case, it's 18 centimeters. We've greased it with butter because we're careful, guys, of course. That way the cake won't stick. A trick that we always use and will use now. A glass is circular at the bottom and allows us to crush all these cookies, flatten them, and perfectly cover the base of this circular mold. And that's it. Let's move on to the cream we haven't used yet. In this case, it's 300 milliliters of cream. It's very cold. That way it will whip much better, which is what we're going to do now. So I'm going to do it with a mixer because that way it'll only take 20 seconds. Incredible! In less than 20 seconds, I have the cream perfectly whipped. What we had in the saucepan has already cooled down and lost its heat. Now we're going to add it to the mixture. Don't add it while it's hot or the cream will collapse. Here's the secret to today's recipe. You have to gently combine the 2 mixtures with folding motion so the cream doesn't deflate and it stays nice and fluffy like this. Once it's added, it will be this creamy. See? This is the texture. Into our mixture. There you have it. Wow, that's amazing. As soon as you have everything inside this mold, give it a shake. And now we move on to the topping. This goes in the fridge, and we move on to the topping. Gelatin topping! You can use whatever flavor you like best. If you're going for lemon, then use the lemon one, man. Each gelatin has its own instructions. I'm going to use the lemon one. What we need is 200 milliliters of very hot water. Add the contents of 1 packet. There you go. We stir until it is perfectly mixed. And guys, we've got it. We add this right on top. The cake needs to be a bit firm so it doesn't mix with the cream and turn out bad. So it's been in the fridge for about half an hour. We add this and we put it back in the fridge at least 4 hours. After that time, here it is. Here you go. I'm unmolding it right now because the butter is going to help me. And it's going to come out on the first try. I'm taking a chance. Here I go. I'm going slowly. I don't want it to break. But on the first try, it's a removable non-stick pan. And I'll tell you in advance that I bought it at a hardware store. And it cost me very little. I think 5 euros or 6 euros at most. We take it out. And there we have it. Look! Wow, that looks amazing. There you have the lemon cake. Side shot. Wow, that's wonderful. And now let's cut it. The inside. It's going to look incredible. A lemon cake made in 5 minutes with very few ingredients. And all of them are inexpensive. Look at it. Drum roll. Here you go. Quick and easy. You have to make this lemon pie. It's going to turn out amazing. Secondly, my best lemon dessert. The recipe that has worked best on my channel. Spectacular. 5 minutes and no oven with only 3 ingredients. Ready in just 10 minutes. There you go. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Well, that's it. Here are the ingredients. Like I said, just 3. We need lemons. 3 lemons. Chocolate cookies. A whole lot. 600 grams, about 2 packs more or less. And also condensed milk. 800 milliliters. That's what a big can has. Here we go. Look how creamy it is. This is amazing. I love condensed milk. As always, I remind you that I also leave the ingredients listed in detail below in the description box. And if not, you know what to do. Hit pause, get some paper and a pen. And as always, there are so few that you can try to memorize them. Come on, go for it. We start our recipe by working on the lemons. If you rub them like this a little, they'll release a lot more juice. Give them a gentle rub. It's a good trick. Let's cut them in half and we squeeze them. Ninguna ciencia. Here we have my old juicer that works super well and I still have it around the house. A twist of the wrist and there you go. First step. Done. I haven't left anything behind. Well then let's go. One after another. When we're done, we'll have approximately 150 milliliters. Shall we? Look! Yes! 150. It's just what we need. Next ingredient, condensed milk. A can of condensed milk. Here we go. We pour it into a large bowl. Here we're gonna add our freshly squeezed lemon juice. Here we go. We mix it really well. I'm going to use an electric whisk, although a manual whisk works just as well and doesn't take much longer. Plus it saves electricity. There you go. We're looking for a cream like this. As you can see, it's thick, it's dense, and it will get even thicker once we have it in our fridge. Let's start assembly. Our chocolate cookies go on the bottom of a dish. There it is. If you put a little bit of the mixture on the bottom, they'll stick and it'll be easier to add the first layer of our cream. Although the trade-off, the price you pay for that convenience, is that it'll be harder to remove from the mold later. So it's your choice. Alright, all of this goes on the base. And then we'll spread a layer of our wonderful cream. Wow, it looks amazing and it's going to be so easy to make. We'll use a silicone spatula to spread it, which, as you followers of the channel know, has 1,000 different names, each one better than the last. The stingy one, the miserly one, the greedy one, it works super well. So, let's go ahead with a bit of skill. We spread it until we cover the entire surface on top of these cookies. On top of this cream, another layer of wonderful cookies. There it is. Don't worry about moistening them, because just by being on top of this cream, they'll absorb moisture from the mixture itself, along with the lemon aroma and flavor, and they'll turn out fantastic. So don't worry. New layer. There's no problem with this one. There it is. Let's spread it well. Now it's much easier because it doesn't move. There it is. I'll say it again. Don't worry if the cream doesn't seem thick enough, because it'll thicken once it's chilled, and we'll have the perfect dessert. Next layer. Let's keep placing them, putting our little Tetris together. In this case, they even have little drawings and everything, although it's not necessary. Come on! Last layer of cream. We've got it. Don't tell me it hasn't been super easy to prepare this recipe. One of the easiest ones we have on the channel. Maybe that's why it's been the most popular. There it goes. From here to the fridge. At least 2 hours in the fridge. Yes, indeed. And you'll have it ready. If you want to leave it overnight, I mean, for more hours, there's no problem. While I have the mixture in the fridge, I want to take the opportunity to tell you to subscribe. I'll leave the button over there. And also to crush some of these chocolate cookies I have left to make a fantastic topping. We crush them well with an electric chopper like mine. Yeah, there you go. Riz ras. Or you can crush them with a rolling pin. You put them in a little bag, crush them with a rolling pin, and that's it. They'll turn out just as good. Well, there you go. That took about 20 seconds. And now I've got them nicely crushed, all set perfect. That's how I want them. There you go.
Alright. I've had this cake in the fridge a little longer. It's been about 6 or 7 hours. No problem. You can even leave it overnight and it'll look like this. It's dense, it's thick, and now we're going to give it the final touch. And to the table it goes. Don't tell me this recipe wasn't easy.
Incredible! Well, after some time, you see, you touch it and it barely gets on your finger. So let's sprinkle it with the mixture we just made. They're simply our crushed cookies. There it is. This recipe also works really well with vanilla cookies. Take note. But my favorite is with these. We spread it well over the entire surface. And we'll just wait a few seconds for it to settle. We spread it well like this, with a shake. That's it! I'm gonna clean the edge a little bit. And as soon as it's ready, I'll take it to the table. Here I go with the surgeon's steady hand. To the table. There you have it. Just like that. Chocolate cake ready in 10 minutes, and with only 3 ingredients you have to make it. You're going to like it. It's delicious. And as you can see, it couldn't be easier. Let's serve a slice. Here we go. There you have it, nicely set. With the layers clearly defined. And that cream with an intense lemon flavor. Sweet and lemony on the inside. Wow, it's amazing.
And also, super easy. Well, our 3-ingredient cake is ready. Look how great it looks. You can see how those alternating white and brown layers have formed. It looks amazing, and I'm sure it tastes great. Let's try it. Look how creamy it is. It's thick. It's delicious. It's really, really good. And besides being super quick to make, what more could you ask for? It's really good. Just 3 ingredients, and that's it. And, you know, if you like the recipe, remember to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell so you get notified about my updates. Leave me a big like. And why not? Follow me on Instagram. Perfect! Riz ras! This is so good. I'm gonna eat another really big piece.
Third, a classic lemon. Tiramisu, quick and with only 4 ingredients. You've got to make it. It's easy, simple, just 5 minutes and it's on the table. Look!
Good subtitle.
We start by preparing our lemon juice. 2 lemons are enough. We squeeze them. There it is. It's about half a glass of lemon juice, or whatever you call it in your country. Next ingredient, essential lady fingers. These soletilla ones are fantastic. 15 or 20 pieces depending on how big you want the dessert. They're super soft look, wonderful. I love them for breakfast. Wow! Let's prepare the first layer of our future cake so we can move forward little by little. I'm gonna fit 5 in here. There we go. Perfect. Next ingredient, 250 milliliters of heavy cream, which in many countries is called double cream. What do they call it in your country? It's about a full cup filled to the brim. We pour it into a large bowl because we're going to whisk it and we don't want to make a mess. Let's go, electric mixer, and it'll only take you a few seconds.
Here's a little tip for you. The condensed milk, the cream, the beaters you're going to use, and the bowl, the colder everything is, the faster you'll finish and the quicker the mixture will whip up.
Well, this is almost ready, you see. It's already starting to form ridges, and this is the moment when we're going to stop. It doesn't need to be fully whipped. It's perfect like this to add the next ingredient, which is none other than nothing less than condensed milk. Here we go. 370 grams of condensed milk, which is one of the small cans. We're gonna add it little by little like a thin stream, mixing it in really well, and don't worry because the cream is going to loosen up. But this will be fixed with a touch of magic. The moment we add our lemon juice, it will create a fantastic reaction and everything will come together super quickly. In a matter of seconds, you'll have this delicious cream ready, just like the one you see in the picture. Spectacular. There you go. Let's go for it. On top of the first layer of ladyfingers that we already had prepared, we're going to add a fantastic and generous layer. Don't be stingy of this super mixture. Here we go. Don't worry, because the mixture itself will moisten the ladyfingers, making them spectacular. There it is. We've got it. We spread it with a kitchen spatula, a rubber spatula, what some people jokingly call a miserly spatula. There must be a reason for that. And we put another good layer on top of soft ladyfingers. Here we go. Another idea would be to moisten them with a little bit of coffee. But I've decided to make the easiest cake in the world, and I'm not going to complicate things at all. There it goes, flat side up, and even easier, we keep adding.
You can leave this cake as it is or keep adding layers on top of each other to make it taller, however you like. And that's how it will look when you cut it, or from the side, whichever you prefer.
All right, another layer of this whipped cream with lemon and condensed milk, nicely whipped up. And now you have to decide if you want to finish the dish, like I do, with the whipped cream on top, nice and cold, or put the last layer of ladyfingers. It's your choice to give it a spectacular touch. You know, I always like to add a little something at the end to my desserts. I'm going to go with something simple, since this cake is the simplest in the world. Ground cinnamon, aroma, flavor. And it couldn't be easier. Look, see how good it looks on top. Sprinkle it on, and you're done. So good. Well, that's it. Let's eat. The easiest and fastest cake, ready in just 5 minutes and looking as amazing as you see in the picture. You can't deny it. You're going to leave your guests speechless with hardly any effort and a nice chilled cake on your table. Look! Wow! Pure wonder! Well, that's it for today's show. If you ask me which recipe I like the most, it's the lemon tiramisu. That's my thing. I love it. What about you? You know, tell me in the comments. Thanks for coming. Love you all. See you in the next video.